party.
Okay, what is Kipper doing in this picture?
Kipper is celebrating the toys party.
Who are invited in the party?
Kipper's toys and Sloppy.
What did Kipper want?
Kipper wanted a party.
Is he looking happy?
No.
Where is he sitting?
Kipper is sitting in the kitchen.
What is in front of the Kipper?
In front of the Kipper is the 4 cups, 2 glasses, 1 bowl, and 3 spoons.
Did anybody busy?
Yes, everybody was busy.
What are Biff and Chip doing?
Biff and Chip were playing football.
What are
Mom
Mom
and Dad
and
were washing the car.
and what Floppy is doing?
Floppy is sleeping.
Did anybody want to come?
Nobody wanted to come.
Did Floppy wake up?
Yeah. Yes, Floppy wake up.
From where did the Kippers come downstairs?
Kipper come downstairs from his room.
What is he carrying in his hand?
Kipper is carrying in his hand 6 toys.
Is Kipper looking happy?
Yes, Kipper is looking happy.
What was on Kipper's head?
And Kipper's head was a green crown.
What did Kipper want?
Kipper wanted a cake.
Who are the guests of the party?
The guests of the party are Kipper's toys and Floppy.
What is Kipper holding in his hand?
Kipper is holding on in his hand a big bowl.
What is Kipper going to do in the bowl?
Kipper is going to the bowl. He's going to make a cake.
Okay, what did he put in first?
First, Kipper put in cornflakes.
And after that,
After that, he put in tomato sauce.
what did he put in after tomato sauce?
After tomato sauce, he put in milk.
And after milk, what did he put in?
After milk, he put in jam.
What did he put in after jam?
After jam, he put in sugar.
And after sugar?
After sugar, he put in baked beans.
Who came in the kitchen?
Mom came in the kitchen.
What did she see?
She see a big mess.
What are toys looking?
The toys are looking dirty.
Is this a right method of making cake?
Yes. No, it's not the right method of making cake.
What did Mom do?
Mom did wash the clothes.
What is Mom doing right now in the picture?
Mom is hanging the clothes.
What was Kipper feeling?
Kipper was feeling sorry.
Did Kipper do the right thing?
No.
What was Kipper's big mistake?
Kipper's big mistake. He didn't have to invite anyone in his party.
He didn't invite anyone in his party. Okay.
Yes.
Why should we share our plans with elders?
That's why we share our plans with elders, because they give us the right idea.